Not that well.
What? Yeah.
Bringing it around.
It's not called that. It's called the Helen Keller because she's like mentally retarded.
This is gonna be a great video.
Yeah, I just got it, and if you don't find it, just search Scott Dunk. Shut up. Shush, girl. Shush your lips. Do the Helen Keller and I'm with you. Fuck. Dude, I hope we can't hear them doing it from outside.
Ew.
I should be like,
We're on,
ow,
they can
quit
hear
pulling
us.
my hair. Oh. Dude, we're on video.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Because we were taking a video.
Can we go get jackets?
I'm wearing one.
So am I.
Wait, we should get right by the window and moan.
We should. Hold on a sec, okay?
Robert just sat there.
Sorry about that.